Good afternoon, friends. Are you ready? Yes. Today is our second lecture about mathematics. Mathematics is a very interesting subject. Yes, yes. Very funny subject. Yes, yes. Why? Because different kinds of information, different kinds of problems, different kinds of figures we learn in mathematics. Yes, but today is our chapter, our content is very interesting, which is our today's content is which parts, which contents are included in arithmetic, in algebra, which parts which contains include in algebra, which contains are include in geometry, which contain are include in trigonometry, which contains are include in statistics. Such kinds of information we learn in today's lecture. But step by step. First, I hope everyone known about the branches of mathematics because of yesterday in the last lecture we learned perfectly. Yes. Once again, there are 5 branches of mathematics. First is arithmetic, second is algebra, third is geometry, fourth one is trigonometry, fifth one is statistics. But today discuss about the first branch of mathematics. The first branch is arithmetic. First branch is arithmetics. Arithmetics is a very interesting branch. Arithmetic is a fundamental branch of mathematics. When you start learning about mathematics, then first step is arithmetic. Yes, but in arithmetic, which chapters are include such a kinds of information is very important. If you not known about the chapters and contents include in arithmetic, then you facing different kinds of problems, difficulties. But after completing our lecture, no difficulties, no doubts not remain. I hope. Yes. Arithmetic is the first branch of mathematics, and the contents and chapters include in arithmetic. First chapter is number system. Second is a decimal fraction. Third is a simplification. Fourth is square and cube root. Fifth one is indices and surds. Sixth one is LCM and HCF. Seventh one is average. Eighth one is a percentage. 9 one is a profit and loss. 10 one is a ratio, is a problem on a number. 14 is a time and work. 15 is a pipe and cistern. 17 is a allegation. 18 is a unitary method. 19 is a train related. 20 is a boat and stroke related. Boat and steam related. 21 is a simple interest, and 22 is compound interest. such a branches are very important. But we read all branches about arithmetic, but in every branch, which information we learn is the first question. In the number system, which information, which knowledge we learning? What is the number system? What is the use of number system? What are the benefits of number system? Such kinds of information is important. Then second one. Second is a decimal fraction. Decimal fraction is a part of arithmetic. Decimal fraction is a part of arithmetic. In decimal fraction, what is a fraction? Types of fractions. For example, like fraction, unlike fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. Such kinds of information, such kinds of contents we learn in decimal fraction chapter, which means fraction chapter. Decimal fraction is one part of the fraction. Then simplification. Simplification is depend on the Bode-Morse rule. Simplification is nearly depend on Bode-Morse. You know about Bode-Morse. If not, when you take about the simplification lecture, that time clear all student concept. Yes. Then fourth one is a square and cube roots. Square and cube root is also very interesting and easy if you prepare daily. Then indices and surds. Indices and surds is a part of arithmetic. Indices is very interesting and important part of arithmetics. Then sixth one is LCM and HCF. LCM and HCF. LCM is a least common multiple and HCF means highest common factor. Sometimes students not know about the full form about LCM and HCF, but listen carefully. LCM, least common multiple, and HCF, highest common factor. Understood? Yes. Nice. Then seven chapter include in arithmetic is average. Average is funny, interesting. When we calculate our result, our school exam result, our classes exam result, our instrument, our jobs use the average content. Use of average is different and more. But what is average? The formula of average, which parts of average, such kinds of information is very important. Then 81 is a percentage. After completing our exam, the time is coming our result, and that time everyone asked each other how many percentage you got, How many percentage you got? That time this word is familiar each other. But in percentage, different kinds of formulas, different kinds of contents are available. Percentage is interesting. We learn when you take. Then profit and loss, ratio and proportion, partnership, problems on edges, problems on numbers, time and work, pipe and cistern, allegation, unitary method, trade related, board stream, simple interest, compound interest. These all 22 are important chapters, important contents in arithmetic branch. I hope you understood perfectly. If any difficulty in this chapters, in this content, then we're taking step by step each content, each chapter in above lectures, in next lectures. Yes, all contains, all contains and all branches, all are important, very important. All chapters are very important. Then step by step we learn, all of us. First, second, third, fifth, 7, 8, 19, all 22 we completing in our summer vacation. Yes, I think everyone understood about the arithmetic, which chapters are included in arithmetic branch. Arithmetics means Ankaganit. Once again, listen carefully. Arithmetic is first branch of mathematics. Arithmetics is the first branch of mathematics. Arithmetic is a fundamental branch of mathematics. Arithmetic is the first step of learning mathematics. Means arithmetic is very important. But today's our important content is which chapters are included in arithmetic branch. Yes. But I hope everyone knows about how many contents include in arithmetic branch. Once again, read carefully. Number system, decimal fraction, simplification, square and cube root, indices, surds, LCM, least common multiple, HCF, highest common factor, average, percentage, then profit and loss, then ratio and proportion, partnership, problem of ages, problem of number, time and work, pipes and cisterns, allegation, unitary method, train rotate, board and stream, simple interest and compound interest. Such a kinds of chapters contains we take in step by step in our summer vacation. I hope everyone known about the contents chapters in mathematics. And the next lecture, learn about algebra contains, which contains include in algebra. Okay, thank you.